Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart. I have a quick destash. I'm going to be doing periodic destashes throughout the month of March. As I'm cleaning out things in my craft room, I will be destashing as I go along. It's going to be a variety of things. It's just spring cleaning time. I don't have any space, and so that usually means it's time to destash. So you might want to click on the bell to make sure that you get notifications of when I post new videos, at least for the month of March, so that you can see all the new things that I'm going to be giving you guys a chance to buy. So the first thing is Spellbinders. So I belong to 3 other die clubs, the large die, small die, and Glimmer. And so when things are not to my style or I try it and I'm like, then it's time to destash because I need to be able to use it or know that I've got an idea of how I want to use it. Otherwise, it's just goodbye time. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Glimmer Foils. So you do have to have a Glimmer Foil machine. These are pretty expensive dies, and they're a little bit heavy. This isn't one. They're a little bit heavy to ship. So these are pretty expensive. The kit, I think, is like $25 or $30. I'm going to charge $10 to ship these. $10 shipped, I'm sorry. $10 includes shipping, okay? So I think it's not a bad deal. I really thought about keeping this one, but I just decided to pass because I'm just like, I'm not really going to use it. But if this one doesn't sell, then I'll try and use it. So this one is the February 2020, and it's called, I have no idea, Pattern? Oh, Art Studio Glimmer, $10. This one is Perfect Fit Hexagon strips, and this is $10. This one is Brilliant Corners and More, and it's $10. Then I've got my small kits. These are all going to be $10 as well. I have used them maybe once, maybe twice, no more than that. This one is from October 2018, and it's like a Thanksgiving one. So it says, Happy Thanksgiving, Hello Fall. It makes an acorn, a wishbone, says, Give thanks. Okay, so there's that one, and it is $10 shipped. This one is the September 2018. It's a Halloween kit, and it's pretty cute. It's just, I don't know. I have a lot of Halloween stuff. I don't do that much Halloween. But here's this one, $10 shipped. This is the brand new one. It's called Art Studio Botanicals. And this one's the February 2020 kit, brand new, $10 shipped. These ones are $15 shipped. They are much bigger, you know, a little more expensive to ship too. This is the 3D Fun Time Cruiser. It's July 2019. Large die. Get all of that, plus the words, which says, I don't know what it says. Celebrate, I think. Anyway, this is kind of like what it makes. So that's $15 shipped. This one is the very current February 2020 large die of the month. It's Art Studio Abstracts. It's just really not my style. I think it's pretty cool for really arty people. Not that artsy. So it's $15 shipped. So $15 for large dies. All of the Glimmer ones and the small dies are $10. And that includes shipping, and shipping is freaking expensive. So keep that in mind. And like this one is like super, these ones are like super heavy, these two. So anyway, if you're interested, you need to email me, scoop71@yahoo.com. Let me know what it is that you want. It's first come, first serve, PayPal only. I only ship to the U.S. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.